We're trying to find the number of members who are at least 35 years old. Clue 1. Exactly 3/4 of the members are under 35. Well, I don't know the number of members. If I knew the number of members, I could do 0.75 times the number of members, and that would give me the number that's under 35. Then I could subtract that number from the number of members and get the ones over 35. So that doesn't work by itself. Clue 2, 64 women are 40% of the membership. Well, all that does, that's not telling me anything about age. All that tells me is if I let X be number of members, and that all this tells me is 0.4 times the total number of members is 64. All this does is tell me I could get from that the number of men. Now I don't have to do that, but that's what it does. It gives me the number of men. That doesn't tell me anything about the age. That doesn't work by itself. Now, if I put them both together, this clue 2 allows me to find the number of members. Because if I divide both sides by 0.4, which you do not have to, but I can just see it through, X would be 160 members. So we know there's 160 members. So 3/4 times 160 will give me the ones under the age of 65. Under the age of 35, once I get that number, subtract it from 160, and that's going to be the ones greater than 35. So you wouldn't have to do all this extra work. We know the answer C, but I'm showing you anyway. 3/4 of 160 is 120, and those are the ones under 35. And then if you did total number of members minus 120, which is 40, that would be the number over 35. So the answer is C.